So this is so funny that Elon Musk saying that Bitcoin uses a lot of power. Yeah, that might be. But what is he doing about it? I mean, I could figure 100 ways that he could make Bitcoin 100% off the grid. 100% off the grid with his solar panel company and all that. I don't believe the FUD. I don't believe. Um, so today we here showing you that ADA is up, and ADA is up 10%. And this is very important because you guys know that when one coin is up, that means that the market is just on a pullback. That's my indicator that I know Bitcoin is not going down. When one coin out of the whole 2,000 that is out there, one coin is up. If if we go through a bear market, all the coins go through a bear market. No one stays behind. And in this case, this time around, in this drop, ADA stayed up. Always look for that one coin that always stays up. That is, I've been trading cryptos for about 5 years. It doesn't change. And I'll bet you that before Bitcoin starts going up again, Doge is going to go up. So how much is Doge now? Doge is about 39 cents. I promise you, in a couple of days, Doge will be 45 cents. And why is that? Because Doge is the coin that pumps before Bitcoin. Very simple. I've seen it for 5 years, and that's my indicator. That's my indicator to get in, to start getting in. When you see Dogecoin up, when Dogecoin stays green, we go up. Bitcoin goes up. Now, ADA, well, Elon Musk said today something about that he's looking for another coin that uses at least 1% of energy. There's hundreds of coins that use 1%. But the one he really needs is the one that I've been talking about, and that is Theta. He needs Theta. If he wants to use his automation and his vision automated control, he got to use Theta. Now, basically everything is down. Let's go check some coins. Because everything is down. Everything is down except ADA. ADA is Cardano. But let's go back up here. Let's see Luna. Let's go check Luna out. Let's see what Luna's doing today. Okay, ready for the reversal. Let me see TEL. TEL's coming down. XLM 58. Pin bar probably gonna come down. Probably gonna go up. I'm sorry. Doge starting to go up already. Was just 39. And look at this. Let me see if I could get some Doge at market. Buy Doge and Bitcoin. Let me see Doge. Can I buy it with USDT? Let me see. See the volume's going up. Let's see. Let's go here to assets. See what we can sell. Let me get some Doge. Let's see what we could sell. We could get some Doge. You see? And this is, what coin is this? This is Dash. Let's sell Dash. And come back later. Let's come back later to Doge. Okay? Let's get out of Doge. And let's go to, I'm sorry, let's get out of Dash. And we're going to get in on, should we get in on ADA? ADA's the only thing going up. Let's get in on some ADA, you know. Let's get in by Trias. I don't want no Trias. I want ADA. What the hell's wrong with this? Let's get some ADA. My market 100%. Oh, this is ADA Bitcoin. Let's get ADA. ADA. Ah, come on, George. ADA USDT. Where are you, ADA USDT right here? Uh-oh. Coming back down. Perfect time. Let's pick up 25% right now. Let's just pick up a little bit at a time. You know? Let's see. What what is that 3S? Going crazy over here. What's some more ADA? Okay, I put more ADA. Let's see what happens here. Let's see lumens. Oh, you know what? I found something very interesting today that I wanted to show you. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. Let me see if I can find it here. Let me show you something. This is very interesting what I found here. And did it come through? No. Oh, come on. It didn't go through. Okay. Alright, let me see if I could find it. Let me see if I could find it, Let me see if I could find it. Holy cow. And this is very interesting. Uh, I'll see if I find it. Nope, it's not going through. I found something very interesting. I found something called an intra-ledger protocol family, and it's telling me all the coins, lumens, Algorand. Let's go check Algorand. Algorand, Ripple, IOTA. Let's go check some IOTAs. You know, I haven't checked those in a while. Let's check some IOTAs. Do we have IOTA here? No. No IOTA on KuCoin. Well, I'm telling you guys, these markets are weird. Very weird. Why? Put on 15 minutes so you guys can see it better. So this is the bottom here on Bitcoin. You know, Bitcoin needs to chill. It needs to chill out. This is a very important level. Right where it is. Very important level. I'm telling you, it needs to stay above this level. It could stay. Well, let's see, you know. Let's go check margin account and see what we have in the margin account. Oh, lumens. Oh, man. Man, these lumens are hurting. Oh, you know what? Let's go to trade. Oh, let me check lumens real quick. Top, bottom, top, bottom. Okay, so this is it's not a double top. All right, let's go here. Margin, market. Let's sell. Let's sell 50%. Ah, yeah, so 60%. This is a margin, guys. So I'm selling. I'm selling on margin. What the hell's going on here? So this ratio has to go down. Now, I'm gonna buy it back